Hey, welcome to Amateur Hour. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Bri.
She's gonna make me a cocktail today.
Yep, I am. So I'm a basic bitch, and I love fall and mimosas. So apple cider mimosas during the fall, so good. But
I love apple cider.
We're gonna add our spiced rum.
Nice.
So we're gonna just mess around. I found a rough recipe on the internet, but we're gonna just kind of be amateurs here.
Okay.
And figure it out.
All
So
right, well, let's go.
first, you're gonna take your spiced rum and build it in your glass. You're gonna do about an ounce.
I can tell you right now, I'm gonna add more.
That was a big pour.
This a little splashy.
A little splash. Okay.
All right.
There's some more.
Nice.
Then we're gonna do an ounce each of this apple cider. I got it actually from Windy Hill.
Yeah.
Over in York.
Yeah.
So I love that place.
I went like 2 weeks ago. Took my kid. Mm-hmm. It's awesome. They have like all this great cider. But
Their
which
donuts.
one is this?
This is just the all
okay,
natural, just regular apple cider. This is not spiked at all.
Well, it's about to be.
It is about to be. As you can tell, I am an amateur.
Yeah. Okay. Good thing we don't have any running water in this new location.
Nice. Okay, then you're gonna top it with some Prosecco. Jordan, you might need to help me.
You got it. You can do it. You can do it. I have faith.
Okay, oh my God. I'm so scared. Okay, that was fun.
Wow, it's anticlimactic.
All right, so we're using Prosecco, but you can use regular champagne. I might need to open the second one. I'm going to need to open the second one. But again, amateur hour. Then you can rim your glass. I'm just gonna kind of drizzle it in there and then put an apple in too.
Okay.
You can stir it around.
Oh, look at that fizzles.
I know. Nice. All right, cut up an apple. Let's see.
I don't want the sticker.
I won't give you the sticker. Stick a stick in there.
Nice.
A little skewer.
Okay.
Very nice.
Everything you add in there is making this thing fizz more.
I know.
All right, I want to
I
stir
give
mine
it
too.
a little stir.
Okay.
All right. Here's
Cheers.
the taste test. Cheers.
That is really good. I was kind of not sure how this is going to turn out with all the dumping, but it'll work.
That was really good. Again, super easy. That was literally 3 ingredients. You don't even need to put the caramel or the apple in there, but
Yeah, like you come home, it's Wednesday, you want a cocktail, you don't have a lot of stuff in the house, and you're like, I need something to drink.
or it's a crisp fall morning and you need a cocktail. There's your mimosa.
You didn't have to go to the store.
Screw orange juice, honestly. So there you go.
OJ's whack. We're into ciders.
Don't come back.
You know, this is really good.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
But it's been a long week.
Okay.
Robbie's been riding my ass. So I'm adding spiced rum.
I'm a lightweight, so I probably shouldn't do that, but that is probably a great idea. How's it taste?
Gooder than hell.
Thanks for watching. The recipe is going to be in the description below. Stop in and see us sometime soon, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, that's good. Kill it.
Leaning towards him. Center yourselves in the video.
Just hit our noggins.
The brain power. All right.
I'm putting that in
Yes,
there.
that's fine. That too.
You guys go already.
I am going, mother. Shut up.
Sorry.
Go talk in the corner.
You're in timeout.
I'm the diva now. Thanks, Bri.
You're welcome. Thanks for joining me for Amateur Hour. I had a great time.
Me too.